So on the workbench today we have this Fender Gemini II Acoustic. It's a child of the 80s, like me. I think it was between 84 and 87 they were originally made. It's missing a machine head, frets are very badly worn, and the body's seen a bit of road rash in that. So we're just going to give her a quick clean up, clean and polish the frets, change over that machine head, and string her up and get her back to working order. So you can see our missing machine head just here. We'll replace that with an entirely brand new unit. Moving down, as I said, the frets have a lot of dings in them, as you can see there. So we're going to give them a clean and a polish, possibly a leveling, a crown and a polish as well. A few marks and scrapes along the body in there that we won't be able to fix completely, so we'll just clean her up as best we can. So next we take our notched straight edge and we just put it on the fingerboard here, and all the notches in here correspond to where the frets are, so it means we've got a straight edge sitting against all the wood of the fingerboard, and it lets us know whether the neck is straight and the fretboard is flat, and it's pretty much perfect, so we don't need to adjust the truss rod or anything like that. So next thing we're going to move on to now is we're going to clean these frets. Because the dings are so bad, we're actually going to have to level them first. Okay, so I've already covered before how we level frets, how we crown them and dress them and polish them and that. So I'm just going to run through that very quickly on this guitar. So here's our broken tuner on the left. As you can see, it's missing its tuning button, and a replacement one on the right. And as you can just about see, the covers on the back are actually different. So what we're going to do is just try and pop the covers off them both and see can we change them over. So there's the old cover on our new machine head. It just fits, the screw holes don't align exactly, but when we affix it to the headstock of the guitar, it should all line up, and we'll open up the holes a little bit if we have to, just to make sure everything fits. Okay, so we're ready to test fit the tuner now, and we had to take away a lot of material from the inside of the gears and that to make sure it all fits, and the screw holes line up now. So we'll just throw in a couple of screws now. So now there we go. We've got our machine head repaired and it's good to go, so we'll flip her over, do a bit more cleaning up and get ready to string her up. So we have our new machine head installed. We've leveled, crowned and dressed the frets. We've cleaned the fretboard and treated it with some linseed oil. We've cleaned up the body as well. We've cleaned the saddle. So all that's left to do now is just string her up and she'll be ready to go. And there she is now, good as new.